Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 1 with friends. First, ensure everyone has Warcraft 3, the Frozen Throne, installed on their computers. This classic real-time strategy game is the foundation for Dota 1. Next, download the most recent Dota All-Stars map file. It's crucial that all players use the exact same map version to avoid any connection issues or game crashes. This setup ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. For a direct and reliable connection, playing over a local area network or LAN is ideal. Make sure all your friends' computers are physically connected to the same network, either via Ethernet cables or a shared Wi-Fi router. Launch Warcraft 3, navigate to the multiplayer section, and choose Local Area Network. One person will host the game, creating a lobby, while the others simply join that lobby to begin your epic battles. If playing over a LAN isn't an option, you can still connect online using third-party gaming clients. Platforms like Garena were popular for hosting custom games like Dota 1. Everyone needs to download and install the chosen client, create an account, and log in. Once inside, navigate to the Warcraft 3 section, find a suitable room, and either host your own game or join an existing one to challenge your friends. Once everyone is in the game lobby, the host can start the match. Each player will then select their preferred hero from the vast roster available in Dota 1. Remember to communicate and coordinate strategies with your friends throughout the game. This teamwork is key to securing victory against your opponents. Enjoy the timeless 5 vs 5 gameplay, a true classic that continues to be fun with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.